Gary O'Shea. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please like and share. There's more on the channel, always cars in summer. The following commentary includes excerpts from John B. Schnapp's Corporate Strategies of the Automotive Manufacturers. Report date 1978, prepared by Harbridge House, Inc. As viewed by the management of Ford Motor Company during the decade of the 1960s, one of the company's key strengths was their recognition as the leading innovator in specialty car markets, as demonstrated by the Thunderbird and earlier in the decade, the Mustang. By 1967, one could also include the Lincoln Mercury Division's Motor Trend Car of the Year for 1967. The Mercury Cougar hardtop luxury sports car. Ford's product offerings reached a total 71 models, over 7 lines by 1971. And just like the 65 LTD was trimmed out to be the top of the full-size Ford Galaxy models, in the 1968 model year, the Ford Torino moved in to replace the Fairlane 500 XL as the primary in Ford's intermediate line, primary to the Mercury Montego, for instance. The Torino was longer and wider than the previous 67 Fairlane, with wider axle track front and rear. The Fairlane model name was discontinued in 1971. Lincoln Mercury added the Mach I at the upper end of the Mercury line to match the Lincoln Continental. 1969 saw the revived Continental Mark series introduction of the Mark III to compete at the upper end of the personal luxury car market. Throughout the 60s, Ford consistently upgraded all of its product lines with new models at the upper range of price and performance. The Mustang was extended to the performance model Mach I, and also following the racing muscle car trend, the Torino took on a high-performance 428 cubic inch engine, optional for its GT sports roof. The Maverick was a compact model to replace the Falcon in 1970. Ford also had a strong truck sales mix as the leading producer of vans and pickup trucks over 6,000 pounds gross vehicle weight, two rapidly growing market segments in the 1960s and 1970s. And now, more of our very beautiful engine rever. Here's Phyllis Davis.